friends, and welcome back. I'm Ylva the Red and this is another naalbinding tutorial. For this tutorial we're going to be focusing on decreasing stitches. For this particular tutorial you're going to need a piece of naalbinding where you've already done a few rows, so something to work from. You're going to need your needle and a length of yarn attached to your piece long enough that we can practice this. For those of you who aren't familiar with York stitch, we do have a couple of videos already. I will try to link those above and in the description below, so you can go and check out those tutorials, and if you haven't already you can learn York stitch. This one also builds off our previous videos on naalbinding based around increasing stitches and working in the round from the closed end of a garment. This is also applicable if you're working flat though, and it is appropriate in a number of different pieces. For example, if you are working from the open end of a garment like a hat and you need to decrease down to the crown. Before we begin, let me clarify. When I talk about old stitches, I mean the stitches in the row previous that you've already completed, that you are now working your new stitches into. And when I'm talking about new stitches or new loops, I'm talking about the ones that you have just made, like the last 2 or 3 stitches you've just made, which were made into the previous round. Sometimes when we work a piece up, we get to a point where we've increased too far and we need to take out a couple of stitches. That's what's happened with this particular piece that I'm working on. I just increased too hard, too quickly, and I just need to take out a couple of stitches to even out the work. Alright, so grab your piece and let's get started. To begin, pass your needle from front to back through 2 old loops in front of your newest stitch and 1 loop behind that newest stitch. So you should have 3 loops on your needle. Then pass your needle tip from back to front through the 2 newest loops you have made and pull the needle through. Now, because you don't want to be decreasing too harshly in most situations, you probably want to separate your decreased stitches by at least 1 normal stitch. So go ahead and do 1 York stitch like normal, and then we'll decrease again. So you'll pass from front to back through 3 of the old loops, 2 in front, 1 behind the newest loop, and then pass your needle from back to front through the 2 newest stitches you've made and pull the needle through. And then don't forget to break that up with yet another normal York stitch. So effectively what you're doing is you're turning 2 old stitches into 1 new stitch, and that's how we decrease. As I said before, this is really useful for things like decreasing to the crown of a hat or to the heel of a sock or similar. It has many applications for more modern garments as well, so if you are practicing naalbinding for something that you'll wear in your everyday wardrobe, or if you're history bounding, this is a great stitch to learn and have in your arsenal. I've only got 2 more videos planned for the York Stitch series for tutorials, but if you've got something specific you want to see us do with naalbinding, please feel free to leave a comment down below and I can add it to my to-do list. Also, if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more, you want to know when those new videos come out and other videos that I do, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when new videos come out. That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.